classroom. Today, I'm going to show you what I made with that paper pad that I had received from the seller on Amazon. I made a really cute project. The paper was called Honeyflower, and it was on Amazon. I used 8 of the 12 designs. So I used 16 papers. Yeah, because I still have 4 designs left. This is what I have left of my scraps out of those 16 pieces of paper. I can't even do the math. 16 pieces of paper. This is what I have left. Not a whole heck of a lot. But I wanted to explain why I didn't use the other designs. So these are the papers I used, right? These yellows and blacks. These ones, I didn't feel like they went with the same collection. Am I wrong? Like, I couldn't get them to coordinate. This was all yellow, black, white, a little bit of green. These had blue and red, and this has like a purple and gray. This has all kinds of colors, and then this is gray. So I thought, well, maybe these 4 papers can make a smaller project. I don't know. But I just didn't think these went with the project I was doing. So these are all my scrappies from the paper I did use. Okay. So I decided to use not a tutorial, an idea from another crafter. She made this really cute book that was I don't even know what she called it. I didn't look that up. It's a flip. I forgot what it's called. I'm going to put it in the description down below. I forgot what she called it though, but it's this cute little book. Hers was bigger. It was tall and skinny. But because I had 6x6 papers, I had to like reconfigure it so I could fit my 6x6 papers. This one in the very back, this last page, measures 6x6. And hers were like 6x8, I want to say, or 6x7. They were taller and narrow, and they went rectangles where mine are all squares. I hope that makes sense. So anyway, I used that paper. This ribbon is from my stash. I just thought it was cute, and it went with the collection. On the back, just so you see, I did use all the different papers with the hexagon punch. I thought it totally went with the collection since it was a bee collection. And I do have my little logo right there. I love this. I love that. I think I got that from Carolina Crafts. Carolina. Yeah. I just love it. So anyway, this little honey flower was from the title page of the paper. So this is the title paper. So I cut it out right in the middle because I thought that was a cute little doohickey for the cover. This little bee was out of my stash. I believe it is a die that I have. I have no idea. And I did add some just enamel dots in the corners. So this is the first page. It opens this way. It opens back and forth. Does that make sense? I forgot what this is called. I can't believe I forgot the name of it. Anyway, each one of these is a pocket. So it opens up or it comes out and it's like this. I did leave the back plain because I ran out of paper and I didn't want to just cover with white. I thought that might look, I don't know, not the vibe I was going for. And then each of these pages or the photo mats coming out of the pockets have these little wooden bees that I found in my stash. I have a whole bin that is just bee stuff. I have a little thing with bees. Anyway, this one opens up this way. This side, I have a belly band with a little photo mat there. This is just plain for your photo. And here's the next photo mat with that little bee on top. Then let's keep going this way. And this one opens up. This is a bigger place for a photo. I believe this is 5.5 square. Yeah, 5.5 square. This one would be a 5 square. And this one has a little side tuck pocket. I didn't do gussets. It's just like a tuck spot. Make life easy. So then this closes back this way. And now this one opens this way. And here we have another pocket here. Not a pocket, a tuck spot. There's no gussets, just a tuck spot. It's just glued down on the sides. For another photo, this one's plain. This one has the photo mat with the little bumblebee on top. And then this one, just a blank page for a nice big photo. This is 5.5-inch square. And then this one on this side is a diagonal pocket, diagonal tuck spot. I'm so sorry, I keep saying pocket, but they're just tuck spots. There's no gusset here. It's just glued down on the edges. Okay. And then over here we have a huge photo mat with another bee on top. So when you close it, you can actually open it up like so. Ooh, and it almost all fits in camera. Look at that. So do you see that? It's all the way from there to there. Then let's close it up and open it the other way. This is what it is on this side. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I'm going to go ahead and tag Kim's um, tutorial on this. I am not going to do a tutorial because Kim already made it. I just adjusted the sizes. That's all I did. I tend to do that a lot. I came to realize. Anyway, do you know anybody else? If I do tie a bow when the project is upside down, it turns out so much better. I have no idea why. I think it's just the way I tie a bow. I have no idea. But that looks so much better than the first time when it was upside down. So anyway, that is my project. I hope you all like it. I think it's adorable. I'm on a bee kick. What else can I make with bees? We'll see. Thanks for watching, everyone. I really, really appreciate you. Please come back again for the next one. Subscribe, tell your friends, all that fun stuff. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.